What's up, it's your boy Young Ray Films, and I'm finna tell y'all how to price your videos and your video production stuff without making your clients run off on the plug. Without making them run off on you. You're like, oh, that's the price. Oh, hell no, I got to go. Peace. Let me give you an example. If I tell my dog I got a video and you know it's $200, what I would do to make that more appealing to this young brother, cause this brother, like, he don't want to spend no money, but you know you gotta invest, but he don't know that. I try to preach that, but he don't know that. Let's say he don't know that, dog. So I tell him it's $200, but I say, but if you don't have it all, no worries. Make a payment now and make a payment later. That sounds way better than just $200. From the average person hears that, $200. What you say, boy? I got to go. You can pay $100 right now, so that's the deposit. So when I meet up with you, you can do that. And then once I edit it, and once you're satisfied, you pay the other $100. But I don't send you the other video until you pay the other $100. One thing on you guys, so you won't get scammed and he run off on you with your video. It's two ways. Give him the video in a lower quality with a watermark on there, just saying test footage, or you know, trial footage. Red, I do mine red, put it right across the thing. Or you can do just trial footage with the full quality. You know what I'm saying? Or you can do both. You can mix it out, mix and match. So hey, that's how you do that.